Okay guys, so you wanted me to push out a video on how to assign your students the Envision math assignments. This is the way I do it. Well, we know we have to go to this screen first, and so when you get here, you click on Easy Bridge. Once you get here, you're going to go to Pearson Realize. Once I get here, I am going to go to my browse. I'm going to go to Envision Mathematics. Then I can go to my topics and pick which topic I want to use, and I'm going to pick one that we should have already done. I'm going to pick topic 15, and I am going to assign, let me see, I think I'm going to assign lesson 15.5. When you get in here, you look for whichever activity you want them to do. You could also check to see what is going on in the chapters. I like the today's challenge, but I like to do that as a class. Solve and shares in your textbook, visual learning too. But the ones that I normally assign would be either the Practice Buddy Independent Practice, the Practice Buddy Additional Practice, and sometimes I'll assign the Adaptive Practice Power. But today I'm going to assign this one. When you get over here, you pick your date that you want to assign it. I am going to put it for that Monday. And my due date, I'm going to push it all the way out to May 15th. Now, over here, you pick the classes you want it to be. I always type in an M because it populates both of my math classes for my EC cluster and my regular cluster of kids. I'm just going to assign this to my regular cluster of kids. And then I hit assign. Now, this will show up the date that I set it to show up. I have not attached this to Google Classroom as of yet, but my kids know to go here and to go to Easy Bridge, and then they know how to get on from there. Okay, I think that's it for this lesson. Thank you.